All right, guys. Well, that hay I cut the other day, we're gonna go bale it now. Gil's already out raking it. So, oh, I knocked my glasses off. Can't believe that. Already got the tractor out here warming up. I'm gonna jump on it, start heading that way. All right. Well, I made it over here. It's probably about, I don't remember how many acres it is. I might put y'all a little time lapse while we build the whole field. Oh no, we'll see. I just started moving the tractor, so we'll get it figured out. Alright, well, this little bitty field made 8.5 bales. I'm gonna keep this half a bale in here, run down the road to the next one. Hang on. It's a pain in the ass with one hand. I had a few net wrap problems. That's why you see me stop and get out and jack with it some. So, time to get to the next. The rake man's crying because he done got this whole field raked before I made it here. Look, yeah, he's flipping me off. Look at it. You can't see his ass through the tent. Camera's pointed down, son. He thinks he's a speed racer next to Kubota. Going 8.5 on that other one. Let's see how many we can get here. I'd sure like to get another 8. That'd make it worth doing all this for that guy. I had a couple net wrap issues baling that field. Well, this field made 7 1/4 bale. So that was close to the 8 that I was hoping for. Come out here, pick my pickup back up, hit the road, I guess. Oh, I got some weeds in my handle there. Leave them here. Got a little bit of a bale in there. So I ain't come out here and pick the pickup up. Only downfall of this baler is it's not hydraulic, but what's nice about it is it forces you to get out and look at the baler when you're done instead of just hydraulically picking it up. That's all. That's all for today. Chance of rain and tomorrow, and depending on how much it rains, I'll be back out the next day cutting more.